Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. AUD USD clings to modest gains near mid 0.7100s. http ntvforex.com news ID 1E22150. 5 minutes ago. By Haresh Menghani. A combination of factors assisted AUD USD to gain traction for the fifth consecutive session. The prevalent USD selling bias and upbeat market mood remain supportive of the move up. Concerns over worsening US-China relations might cap gains amid overstretched conditions. The AUD-USD pair traded with a mild positive bias through the early European session and remained well within the striking distance of multi-month tops set on Wednesday. Following the previous day's intraday pullback, the pair managed to regain positive traction for the fifth consecutive session and was being supported by the prevalent selling bias around the US dollar. The second wave of coronavirus outbreak in the US dampened prospects for a quick turnaround for the domestic economy and kept the USD bulls on the defensive. This, coupled with the impasse over the next round of the US fiscal stimulus measures, further undermined the sentiment surrounding the greenback. It is worth reporting that Republican-majority Senate has been largely ignoring a $3 trillion relief bill, which was already passed by the Democrat-majority House of Representatives 2 months ago. Meanwhile, the optimism over a potential vaccine for the highly contagious COVID-19 diseases remains supportive of the upbeat market mood. This, in turn, further drove flows away from the safe haven USD and benefited perceived riskier currencies, including the Australian dollar. However, concerns over worsening US-China relations might keep a lid on additional gains. Diplomatic tensions between the world's two largest economies escalated further after the US abruptly ordered China to close its consulate in Houston by Friday amid accusations of spying. China was quick to respond and threatened to retaliate with firm countermeasures, sparking fears that the latest dispute could be the one to halt the US-China trade deal. Apart from this, slightly overbought conditions on the daily chart might also hold investors from placing any aggressive bullish bets, which might further contribute towards capping the upside for the AUD-USD pair. Market participants now look forward to the release of the US initial weekly jobless claims. This, along with developments surrounding the US fiscal stimulus, might influence the USD price dynamics and produce some short-term trading opportunities. Technical levels to watch. AUD-USD. Overview. Today last price. 0.7156. Today daily change. 0.0017. Today daily change percent. 0.24. Today daily open. 0.7139. Trends. Daily SMA 20. 0.6964. Daily SMA 50. 0.6847. Daily SMA 100. 0.6563. Daily SMA 200. 0.6687. Levels. Previous daily high. 0.7184. Previous daily low. 0.7111. Previous weekly high. 0.7038. Previous weekly low. 0.6921. Previous monthly high. 0.7065. Previous monthly low. 0.6648. Daily Fibonacci 38.2%. 0.7156. Daily Fibonacci 61.8%. 0.7139. Daily Pivot Point S1. 0.7106. Daily Pivot Point S2. 0.7073. Daily Pivot Point S3. 0.7034. Daily Pivot Point R1. 0.7178. Daily Pivot Point R2. 0.7217. Daily Pivot Point R3. 0.725. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, Text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.